And so, yes, if you were to read the Shama'il of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you would see that he perfects every small mannerism. But there are ingredients that are mentioned here. And these three ingredients are so crucial to both character and circumstance. Why? لِمَنْ كَانَ يَرْجُ اللَّهِ. Because if you don't seek Allah, then you may be seeking other than Allah, and that could be shirk. That could be the most disqualifying disease of all, which is to associate a partner with Allah. وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ. If you're not seeking the hereafter, but you're seeking this dunya instead, you're seeking this world instead, then your good qualities will only be exercised to the extent that they bring material benefit here. And that bears the fruit of hypocrisy. And if you are seeking this world, وَذَكَرَ اللَّهَ كَثِيرًا, remembering Allah frequently, if when you do good deeds, or you exert good qualities, or exhibit good qualities, you do that for the mention of other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, then you are placing in your heart the disease of riyā, the disease of showing off, to want to be remembered and praised by other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So these three ingredients have three counterparts. They all keep out a particular disease, ash-shirk wal-nifaq wal-riya. They remove the diseases that corrupt even good characteristics. And eventually, those diseases start to show themselves, even in those good qualities. So in terms of character building, what makes the Prophet ﷺ so beautiful in regards to the qualities that he showed to other people is that he showed those qualities to other people for the sake of Allah. And that's why, even when there was nothing that would make the human being, the person in front of him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, deserving of his excellent qualities, he still exhibited them with excellence because he was pursuing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, not that person in front of him. What makes the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam's character so beautiful, and in fact is at the heart of sidq, the heart of truthfulness, is that the Prophet ﷺ did not want a reward in this life for the good qualities that he exhibited. But he sought the jaza, he sought the reward of the hereafter instead.